ndọma njem ọ na-ekene m n'ụbọchị nke tata. Biko ka ọ gazieli gị ebe ọ bụla isi wee na-enene m. Biko ka anyị gbapụ n'ọsọ maka na ọ dị m ọsọ. Biko ihe nji maka ya wee bịa bụ maka video Gọvanọ Eziokwu mere this morning regarding Udele case and the Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Mana tupu m kwuo anything, biko achọrọ m ka ị gee ntị ọfụma ma gee video anụ a. Watch this video very well. Ka m ga-evu ụzọ wee play unu video. The people Udele kpalichalụ. The pastors, though na me well much of the videos because since I can gather our videos and do Udele bali or kalila kare, but I will play one particular pastor Udele bali. Bikon, watch you go to video.
They are talking about their daddy Hezekiah and the accusations they are laying on their pastor Chinenye. Their pastor, mind you, this person is not a traditionalist. Okay? The only dog we have in this fight is people's children that is touching anyhow. Finish. We have no problem with all the mumu there that don't want to wake up and reason with their heads. I'm going to share this in our WhatsApp groups. Don't worry. I don't care about them. I care about these people. This guy is molesting. Charlie Troy, thanks for the 200 stars. I see you. The children this guy is molesting, the molestation that has gone in that church for 4 decades, 4 whole decades. Now, they said Polaris Bank, where that Pastor Chinenye works, that Polaris Bank told them, gave them all the statements of accounts about their daddy, the church account, the school account, the school salary account, and the school fees account. There are 2 different accounts. Then their daddy private account. Just make on hear how much we didn't go mention. Let's assume he is calling the right amount. Here, these people are the best documentarians of their crimes. This man does not have a wife. This is not his wife. He is the one he anointed the Queen of Heaven in their church. Okay? He is the one they anointed the Queen of. So now, let me start afresh with what their daddy Hezekiah, and the worst thing is brainwash. This man, according to people that know him, when he started this fingering of children, was at Inland Girls as their math teacher. He was their math teacher then and posted there under the NYSC program. From then, this man just started molesting children, touching them anyhow. But here the type of lies they are vomiting. This Emeka Agu is his, people don't know the meaning of public relations. They say public relations officer. He is the propaganda officer. After the Second World War, due to the bad name, the people, the taxi hailers of Germany, you know what I mean now? Those of us where they hate taxi for Germany, blessed of you, be aware. And I heard it to me say, you know the people I'm talking about. At least our brother Max in Jacobina knows the people. They are supporting them in Ukraine. Those people that are hailing taxi. It was because of the bad reputation they gave to that nomenclature that made them switch. That made them switch it to public relations. So whenever you hear someone operating as someone's public relations officer, yes, in language that one. Whenever you hear that someone is another person's public relations officer, that is his damage control officer. You know, say for wash, I see you, my sister. Thank you, my sister Samira. If you know in wash, any place they are doing 419, there are 2 people that are bottom feeders. One are the catchers. Okay? The catchers and the dischargers. Is always they are the people with the least share of the deal. But sometimes the people where they say may they discharge people, then go end up trying to convert that person to a mugu under another format. All right. Now, the catchers, if they use this group to catch you, they will use another group to discharge you. So this Emeka Agu is the discharging man for this their Hezekiah. Okay, he is the discharge man for this their Hezekiah. Now I will try not to stop you, but for the benefit of those that are not understanding Igbo and the poor network, as a result, maybe I will stop announcing any program on him when I want to do it, so their church members don't go get prepared. Now, hear what's going on.
Polaris Bank. Polaris Bank will generate statements of account. Our beloved daddy. Statement of account. Living Christ Mission. Statement of account. Hezekiah University account. Salary account. School fees account. Chupep account. Cooperative account.
They even get cooperative account.
Statement of account of all these accounts. One day. Oh, but my daddy and I like gave me here called it too public.
They are talking that they check all of their accounts, and now he said, oh, their daddy doesn't like to make his things to be public. Who go they do pedo for outside where people go see him? There is a reason he was telling those children, oh, don't tell anybody, don't tell your parents. Okay? There's a reason they were telling everybody, oh, don't tell anybody, don't tell your parents, don't tell your other members of your gang, don't go and do this one, don't go and do that one. There is a reason they are doing it. There is a good reason they are doing it, because criminals will not want you to know what they are doing. Is it MFA? If not MFA, tell them mother effing retards. Now what thing they supposed to convert into and collect the first one from him? You dey hear am? In this scenario, you will notice Adeboye for a long time never give prophecy. Oyedepo for a long time never give prophecy. Suleiman na small gradually now they take doing. Jeremiah Omotofufu na him old one they still dey fire am with, and then come they use other things. Oh, I'm empowering youth. They do give away. They cover up. No Ebuka Obi wey no get sense is illiterate. It's obvious now. No one illiterate. Only I get the lie. Now him no even you Ebube Monso, you no notice am. Say all those are say because they are recycling things they've been doing in the past. That job don't knock. Okay, the job don't knock. So no. If you want people to stop mentioning your name, stop RNG. Stop RNG. Where can RNG? Are you hearing me?
So akune nene chego nkam ngwan nene nu fita anwa Ebu Udele no na akparikwa Evangelist Ebuka Obi ebe ono na emegin ono na akpari Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Then not only that, no bale ya, there are a lot of them men of God all bale. Amalom sometimes I name me or de kagasi na ya noro na this country. Mona ya noro na social media mgbe mmadi no eme ho na akọ rubbish gbasalo mmadi ibia biko nene video anwa ebe ono na akpari Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and I think Nnamdi can also, but that one is not my deep topic in Jimakia we bia nene ebe ono na akpari Evangelist Ebuka Obi.
Tonda gabobu nune from Ebuka Obi to any other person that is hatching that plan. You are only going to make your condition worse. Mark it somewhere. I remember the very first time where I mentioned Onekberima, this criminal Ebuka Obi. It was when I was in transit. I still remember. I nearly missed my flight from Vienna to Amsterdam, or if you want to call it like Europeans. And I remember the noise when I make. I still remember what I replied. I told you your Ebuka is not even at ant level compared to people I've dealt with. Ebuka Obi kaperembe in business never today. Now this painted cement of Maria, Nani the answer that is using to confuse you people, and you know, not to insult anybody. Catholics are easily brainwashed and they are liturgical in thinking. Now them be the last people who don't understand anything. Okay, now them be the last people of all the Christians denominations. Now them, in fact, I remember when we were growing up, I was arguing with my friends. They told us that the Bible is not supposed to be read by ordinary people, saying as seminarians, priests, bishops, monsignors, or these ones, archbishops. Now they're supposed to read. So understand how far these people have been detached from the Bible. So it's so easy for a criminal like Ebuka Obi that wasted his business money, then founded a ministry. Like as I'm saying it now, let him command fire now. Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire. Do it now. Okay, if you no get power to buy me, or yeah, break this finger. This is my pinky finger. I beg, break and bidogode back and the mother go do no name. Then if you can't do it, shut up and accept that you are a criminal.
Because all was on cheap play now. We get enenegodi this particular one. Evangelist Ebuka Obi ndi lawyer no way see that now. Evangelist Ebuka Obi na ake apugonia that Evangelist Ebuka Obi has forgiven Udele and all the people that wronged him. Biko watch a video anwa, then plays another video.
Have assured us that the lives and property of the people who will come there from all over the world, from Europe, from Asia, from Africa, from Australia, from North and South America, all the nooks and crannies of the world, everybody is secured.
Responding to a question about its court case against controversial blogger, Mr. Chizoram Harrison Ofuego, also known as Udele, who was taken to court by police for threatening the life of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. He explained that the blogger had long been granted bail and that he perfected his bail conditions and ought to have been released.
My name is Kenneth Madereke. We are aware that people have a pending case with one of us, a blogger. We want to have an update. What is the latest on that? Because now that we are talking about 100 days that we said, we like to know whether they have plans of forgiveness. So some of us who are sinners.
We have forgiven anybody who wronged us. Evangelist Ebuka Obi has forgiven anybody. The issue you mentioned, as you noted, is very silent. But I must tell you that the matter was in court. Probably you followed it up. And by June 2024, he was granted bail. They were back in July to court, and the court varied the bail condition. So as it were today, he has been granted bail and he perfected his bail. I believe he should be out, or he is out as a free man.
Inhionu explained that the blogger was involved in other alleged cybercrime offenses against other parties not related to Zion Ministry and Evangelist Ebuka, for which he is still being held pending his arraignment for the other charges by state agencies.
I must add that just a few days ago, I learned he is still there, which ordinarily should not be in the making of anybody because his bail condition has been perfected. But I learned that he has other conditions holding him back, that there were warrants of production elsewhere for another offense. Probably that is the reason why he's still there. But for this case, he has been granted bail and the ordinary should be home as a free man.
And I want to add to that other offenses which he mentioned, Zion is not involved. Zion Ministry is not involved. Maybe another clergyman or another person in the nation got him arrested or charged him on another separate offense, which Zion Ministry is not involved. The application that was made by a defendant, which is one of you, we didn't oppose the verification of the bail terms. It is unopposed. We didn't challenge it because we have the right to challenge that the bedtime shouldn't be varied, but we didn't do that in the spirit of forgiveness. Whatever circumstances that is still keeping him there, we are not aware.
On present challenges facing the country, he called for all to return to God and the path of righteousness to ensure attendant spiritual and physical upliftment to the country.
In this period of political problems, the main solution is our God. Let us go back to our God. Seek the Lord now that he can be found. By the time we seek the Lord and we are in good relationship with our God, he will heal our land. So when you show pity to the poor, you are not only gaining spiritually, you are lending to God, and God will pay you a trillionfold. Apart from that, we have a legal team and other segments of Zion Ministry.
Okay. Now, we play the video Governor Eziokwu made this morning. We play this video now. Then we'll now come back. The
essence of me tagging the picture of Evangelist Ebuka Obi here is he knows those people also involved in this matter whom he can call and talk to them the more. Let's not have this young man in custody and enter next year. I knew that time that Udele was just talking. He was just a talkative. This guy threatened me many times. Man, all see the Eza work here on our camera on our support here. The Eza work original for. I don't have to brag in people on the internet. People can on camera. This blue app, I've seen somebody name we go see there. Abi occasion obi do fe we go. I've seen it. All because they want to get close to that person. I've seen people here. I don't see people for this place. Pretenders. Even Isu Zohaga Kogide Gono, Very, very wicked people. Some of you, your brothers in Ebu mother, if you kept it as a secret, a high guy. Many of them, these things, let me tell you what you should understand about these people. You see, Ijele, this Chukuka, Ezawo, many of them, but issues hanging abroad. They brought all these things, they imported all these things, all these Ebu Mad and Ali Igbo. These people imported it from abroad.
Okay. Now, Governor Eziokwu, let me tell you something that you don't understand. Because nasna iye na-eme ndị mmadụ eme gị eme ntị kagasị na ha malụ ma ọma ya kagasị na ha dafu. Now, mgbe Udele nọ na-akparị men of God, asịlọ man of God, men of God, that is so many pastors ọ nọ na-akparị. A lot of them that I cannot even count. If I start counting them, chigefu. Not only that, on akpali Evangelist Ebuka Obi, on akpali Pastor Paul Eneche, on akpali as in amadi motinge shigo where when don't touch law. Even the pastor no ne church sins so think she wete ya no we ministry on Facebook or something like that. He even have to insult that man of God. All through that tagging, ndị mmadụ na-tag the pastor, can no wee malu page the man. Can no malu gin, can no wee malu page the man, because this is the man of God I've been looking for since. Udele jaki akpatala owe a nkwa ahụhụ. Udele jaki akpata gin nkwa ahụhụ. So ihe ọbụla Udele na-ata ofia today biya wa mete ya. Eziokwu, there is forgiveness, so there is forgiveness. But for you coming to tell me that na the tag, yeah, video Evangelist Ebuka Obi because normal the people no way connection. At least he have connection and DJ or Tisha Mamo Tishi say the thing. But let me tell you, my brother, Evangelist Ebuka Obi emego more than even a human being can do. You know what it means? Made put on social media, pali everything that has to do with you. Label you all the kind of accusation on all making men n'isi Evangelist Ebuka Obi. But still yet this man came openly. Sorry that I don't have the video ebo na Zion Ministry wey Gbasalu Udele. But I will still find that video one day. I'm going to play it. We put that openly because I've already watched that video. Or see that now he has forgiven Udele. That he's not the one holding him. That he even went as far as making spend the way money n'isi Udele to make sure that no pota. Or didn't you hear that part? But still yet, not only that not spend the Lego, he went as far as he reached in the G, that's in the G Udele after Kiyawa Chelu Udele out. Because he even have to warn his lawyers they should stay away from that case, that he don't want it anymore. Then Udele nataka ishi Abuja we megini we pukwali again, kabiyokwa pukwali again. Then why didn't you tag that man of God bitch na video ineme? Kigasi malo the man. You have been the one going round on social media doing research. Why didn't you, when you want to do this video, can you make any research about the man, tag him na that video? Why only Evangelist Ebuka Obi picture? Because of what? Because of the hatred you webe that man. Because no chi with the man none. Because no cannot stay one place without saying anything that has to do with Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Give me unji like na pali that man. Give me unji like in the that man. Now you talk about Ndiji Kezafia Udele one negi up one everybody. It says you want to be good. Give good Samaritan. I think you should go to that Abuja or maybe Abu Nejia. Megan, bring your own distinct lawyer. Geba and bail Ijele out. Anybody can go and bail Ijele out. It's not only meant for Evangelist Ebuka Obi. You, Governor Eziokwu, can bail him out also. You, Governor Eziokwu, can also reach out to the man Ujia and plead on his behalf and do what? And bail him out. I don't want to talk much about this, but I will come back for this video again. Then I will now say everything that is in my mind. Mana bikon werunu mmiri juru oyi sairun hapụ na Evangelist Ebuka aka ka o zuoru n'ike ka ọgwọ mmiri tọgba ike na ọ bụ yawa si Udele pụta na social media wee na-ekwu okwu wa ọ bụghị yawa fu all the warning na na-eche, but still yet he keeps doing it. Not only that he keeps doing it, after Kemechara arrest, Udele have not for once come to court and apologize, accept his mistake and apologize to people he offended. No, he will not do that because he felt that no odobu kobu. Now, kita anua iyo metere so igi ana iyo metela achua igi ana ndị mmadụ pụtabịa na ekwu awawo na isi mkpuo Udele deserve what is happening to him today. He deserves it. You can't come out and bomadi ichi boy do anything ichi basa the person, and you are not even showing any remorse that need the sorry ni ya making. Na jinu wayo na this Facebook. Obune egoku na pata na this Facebook akpa. Na unna emia unejiru wayo. Jinu wayo ni ya uneme na Facebook or doloma. If you're a Christian and you say that you are saying the real truth, ikweshike ime ikweshike ikwu o ikweshike ime biko ya gazeru nka ha fikwu fe nkano biko echefuna eke subscribe na page anyị comment like ya ma again on notification gị ya gazeru.